Greetings and namaste, divine infinite light beings. I just came to give you some confirmation, Ashe, because Spirit gave to me firsthand, gave me a visible sight of it, Ashe, that my stalker can no longer stalk me, Ashe. My stalker has been demoted into a cubicle, Ashe, of confirmation of to where he has to dwell with, like, basically can't see anything, Ashe. And Spirit, that is because he has been spiritually demoted, Ashe. He probably even lost his mother's section 8, Ashe. His wife did left him, all that, Ashe. That just came about, Ashe. But yeah, and so this is happening too in your lives. Your stalkers are being demoted, and this is why they're still mad. This is why they still want to take revenge, Ashe. Spirit is saying, because they are being demoted as you are being promoted, Ashe, in the spiritual world, Ashe. They're still being haunted and attacked by the lower entities while you are being covered and protected by the higher sources, Ashe. And they're fucking mad, Ashe. I feel so good that I can walk down the street without being stalked. I feel so good knowing that my children can walk down the street without being stalked, Ashe, because Spirit said you are no longer going to continue to harass and make my child, my divine chosen one, uncomfortable, Ashe. And that's what he was doing. He was making me uncomfortable, to know that I know that he was watching me out the window, to know that I know that he was watching my children, Ashe, because he told me several times that he watches us. And I've seen him watch other people, Ashe. And so he can no longer do this, Ashe. And it brings a joyful feeling to my heart. I'm making a joyful noise in this moment, Ashe. I'm giving praise to Spirit for protecting me and covering me, Ashe. It feels so good to be able to walk down there and knowing, I can look straight to that apartment and see that it's fucking empty, Ashe. But he's still in the neighborhood. His car still sits in the same spot, Ashe. So he's still in that vicinity, but Spirit has stripped him to where he can no longer harass me. And that's a beautiful thing, Ashe. It's a beautiful thing because of his karma. He is being paid back, Ashe. He has gotten demoted, Ashe, into something that was comfortable, into a little closet, Ashe. And that is because he is reaping, and it's ripping a hole in his ass that he got to reap this fucking karma. And this is what's going on in your lives as well. These demonic entities that tried to tear you down, the ones that still want revenge on you, is reaping that fucking karma, whether you see it or not. But confirmation Spirit is giving to you right now, Ashe. Because energy is fluent. We all go through the same things on different timelines, Ashe. Remember, these messages are always timeless, Ashe. Past, present, and future, Ashe. So whenever it hits you is when it hits you, Ashe. But Spirit is giving you confirmation that you are divinely protected, Ashe. And your stalkers are being removed out of spaces to be able to stalk you and put in little cubicles like jail cells, Ashe. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing, Ashe. And I give thanks and praise unto the Most High, Ashe, for keeping me and my family covered, Ashe, to where I can be able to roam around again without feeling uncomfortable. Because I feel the presence of somebody staring me down, Ashe, watching me walk down the street, Ashe. So I don't no longer have to be in that energy. And I'm free. And so are you, divine infinite light beings. You're free, Ashe, to move about, Ashe, as you should, Ashe. You shouldn't be restricted. I shouldn't have been restricted. I shouldn't have felt like I wasn't able to be free and roam free within the neighborhood, Ashe, as he was making me feel, Ashe, because his energy, Ashe, spiritual confirmation. But Anyways, I just wanted to, I was divinely guided here to share this moment with you with 444 on the clock. I say divinely guided by, divinely protected by Archangel Michael. I say we are divinely guided, securely protected, infinitely provided for, and highly loved by Spirit. And Spirit wants you to know that in this moment, I say. So if if it has not already taken place, that your stalker has been removed so they cannot stalk you, it's going to take place, Ashe. It's going to take place. And I give all the thanks and praise, Ashe, because I feel free, Ashe. That was the only thing that was keeping me bound, not being able to walk free, knowing that, his energy was steady watching me. And now I don't have to be watched. He can't see shit where he is, where he was placed. Ashe, and it's a beautiful thing. And I give thanks and praise, Ashe, and so should you, Ashe, because you're confirmation, you're divinely protected, Ashe. You should be able to walk free and go wherever you choose to go when you choose to do it, Ashe. And so Spirit is giving you that access. Once again, remember in that last message, I told you you got a special key to the door to open to Spirit, and it's abundance for you, Ashe. It's protection for you. It's love for you. It's everything that you need and everything that you deserve when you open that door, Ashe. And these motherfuckers are mad, Ashe. So happy high frequency money manifesting Thursday, Ashe, Ashe. Love, peace, abundance, and good health. May your heart chakras always remain open so the love can flow freely. Ashe, Ashe.